Welcome back to my channel, guys. To my returning supporters, thank you for joining me. And if it's the first time you're stopping by, please consider subscribing and join the family. If you want to see how I prepare this meal, just keep on watching. Moving along, guys, here I have some spare ribs I already cleaned and washed with vinegar. And now I'm going to season. I'm going to use all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, complete seasoning, ginger powder, chili powder, paprika, and a full list of all the ingredients used will be listed below. And I'm just going to season this well, put in a smaller container, cover with cling wrap, and put in my fridge. And this you can marinate it for at least 30 minutes. Then we move on to the other steps. As you can see, I'm putting it in a smaller container so I can cover and just place to marinate. Okay, then we move on to the chicken. And here I have some chicken quarters I already washed. Take off the skin, and I'm going to season this. And as I said, all the ingredients used will be listed below. Okay, and I'm just going to season this well also and cover and allow to marinate. Then we can move on to the other steps. Here I'm using some peri seasoning. If you want to see me do a full video of peri chicken, just tell me in the comment box below, okay? I've never done a Sunday dinner cook with me, so I decided to do this one. Hope you guys enjoy my take on Sunday dinner. I'm switching it up. No rice and peas today, okay? But it will be very delicious. Trust me on that one. Moving along, guys, here I have a baking sheet lined with foil paper. I'm going to put my chicken in single layers. And I repeat the same step for the ribs on a separate tray. But for the ribs, I'll cover with foil paper and allow the ribs to cook for 40 minutes. Then we can check back on that one. And my oven is already preheated. So after lining them on the baking sheet, we'll just put them in our oven, okay? Here I have some potato. I peeled, washed, and now I'm cutting them in quarters so we can put to boil. And I'm going to add some salt in the water and allow them to boil. Then we come back for the finishing touch on that one. Here are my ribs after 40 minutes, and I'm going to coat with some barbecue sauce and return to my oven, but this time I'm not going to cover. And then after another 15 minutes I'll flip, coat, and return back to my oven. For the barbecue sauce, you can use even homemade. Just do your thing, guys, okay? And these are some fall off the bone ribs. I'll try to do a more detailed video just doing the ribs so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Here I have the chicken, and I'm going to pour off the water, then flip and return back to my oven for maybe another 15 minutes just for the other side to catch some colors. Then it will show the finished product. Moving along, guys, now I'm going to make my cheesy mashed potato. And for the cheesy mashed potato, we need cheese, milk, butter, and I'm going to put an egg in, and I'm going to smash everything together, mix in my cheese well. After completely mixed, I'm going to grease a oven-proof bowl, and I'm going to pour my mashed potato in, sprinkle some cheese on the top, cover with foil paper, and that allow my cheese to melt maybe about 15 minutes. Then I'll remove the foil paper and allow it to catch some colors on the top for maybe like 5 minutes. Then we can remove it from the oven. Guys, if you don't have one of these glass bowl, you can also use the disposable pan. I'm just using what I have, okay? Okay, this is all ready for the oven, and here are my ribs, guys. Now I'm going to flip, coat, and I'm going to allow these to stay in the oven for another 5 minutes, just so the sauce can stick to the ribs, okay? And as I said, guys, you can use whichever barbecue sauce you have available. And now I'm going to steam some vegetable. Here I have some broccoli, carrots, and I'm going to use some frozen green bean. I'm going to just steam them for 2 minutes. Then we can get to the finished product, okay? Here I also have some frozen purple cabbage. I'm just going to add a little oil, a little all-purpose seasoning, and allow that to saute. Ribs and chicken all done, and here is my finished product of all that I cooked today. Here's my chicken and ribs, my cabbage, my steamed vegetable, and my cheesy mashed potato. Looking all yummy. Can't wait to devour. If you guys love what you're seeing, please tell me in the comment section below. And here is my finished dish. Look at the colors, guys. You must be tired of me saying this, but I love to eat food with different colors, and this is perfect. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye bye.